Welcome back. Today we're diving into one of the most highly anticipated motorcycles of the coming years, the 2025 Yamaha RX100. Whether you're a vintage bike enthusiast, a fan of Yamaha, or someone simply looking to learn about the future of motorcycling, this is the video for you. So sit back, relax, and let's take a deep dive into the legacy, expectations, and everything we can expect from this legendary bike's comeback. The Yamaha RX100 is a name that holds a special place in the hearts of motorcycle lovers, especially in the Indian market. For many, it's a symbol of Yamaha's engineering excellence and a benchmark in the world of two-wheelers. Originally launched in 1985, the Yamaha RX100 was an instant success, offering a potent combination of power, agility, and iconic styling. Its lightweight frame, two-stroke engine, and aggressive performance made it a fan favorite, and it remains a revered name even decades later. Now, in 2025, Yamaha is set to revive this legendary bike, and that's exactly what we're here to discuss today. What will the 2025 Yamaha RX100 bring to the table? How will it meet the modern-day standards of performance, safety, and design? And of course, what will be the price tag on this reincarnation of a classic? First, let's talk about why the RX200 was such an important bike when it first hit the market. The original Yamaha RX100 made waves in 1985 for its lightweight design and easy handling. It was powered by a 98cc two-stroke engine, which produced around 11 horsepower. At a time when motorcycles were either underpowered or not designed for speed, the RX100 stood out as a fast, agile, and fun-to-ride machine. The RX100 was also incredibly popular because of its design. It had the quintessential Yamaha look with bold lines, a sleek profile, and the unmistakable presence that made it a head-turner. The exhaust note was another highlight, a throaty growl that motorcycle enthusiasts still talk about today. Now, let's fast forward to 2025. The world of motorcycles has changed drastically in the past few decades. The RX100's two-stroke engine, which was once an icon, is now banned in many parts of the world due to emission norms. This is where Yamaha has some challenges to overcome. So, what's the solution? Is Yamaha sticking with the two-stroke engine, or is it going for a completely new setup for the 2025 RX100? Here's the interesting part. While many rumors suggest that the 2025 RX100 will feature a four-stroke engine, we do have a solid reason to believe Yamaha will try to capture the old magic while meeting modern-day emission standards. So, instead of the traditional two-stroke engine, we might see a more efficient, environmentally friendly four-stroke motor. This engine is likely to offer somewhere around 10 to 12 horsepower, keeping in line with the original RX200's performance, but with much better fuel efficiency and lower emissions. Moving on to the design, the 2025 Yamaha RX100 is expected to be a nod to the old, while embracing modern motorcycle design trends. The iconic round headlamp, sleek tank design, and the simplistic yet effective bodywork that made the original RX100 stand out will likely be retained. But at the same time, we can expect Yamaha to update the overall look to make it more in tune with today's standards. The new RX100 will probably feature sharper lines, LED lights, and an overall more angular design. The exhaust will likely be redesigned, keeping the spirit of the original but adopting a more modern shape. You might also see better quality plastics and new age materials that help in reducing weight and increasing durability. Speaking of weight, the original RX100 weighed just 98 kilograms, making it one of the lightest motorcycles in its category. That made it incredibly easy to handle, especially in tight city traffic. For the 2025 model, we can expect Yamaha to maintain a similar weight range. The new RX100 could be just a tad heavier, thanks to modern technologies and added features like better suspension, a more advanced braking system, and updated instrumentation. However, rest assured the motorcycle will still be easy to handle and agility will remain one of its strong points. Now let's talk about performance. The RX100 was renowned for its peppy engine and quick acceleration, Even though it wasn't a high-capacity engine, the lightweight frame and responsive power delivery made it incredibly fast for its size. For the 2025 version, we are hoping for similar dynamics. The new RX100 will likely come with a more refined powertrain that offers smooth acceleration and sufficient power for city commutes and highway cruises. Expect a top speed of around 100,110 km/h, making it more than capable for everyday use. But what about the suspension and handling? The RX20 handling, even with its humble two-stroke engine, was an incredibly agile bike, and its suspension setup played a huge role in that. For the new RX100, Yamaha is expected to retain a simple yet effective suspension system, telescopic forks in the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear. While these components are basic, they've been designed in such a way that they offer great handling and comfort. We expect Yamaha to fine-tune the suspension system to meet the demands of today's riders, ensuring both comfort and sporty handling. The braking system is another area where we expect significant improvements. The original RX100 came with drum brakes on both ends, which was standard at the time but doesn't cut it by today's standards. The 2025 RX100 will likely feature disc brakes at the front and rear for improved stopping power. Additionally, the introduction of ABS, anti-lock braking system, is expected to be standard, making the bike safer and more stable, especially in wet or slippery conditions. Moving on to the features. The original RX100 was a no-frills machine. It didn't have much in terms of advanced technology or features. But today we expect the 2025 RX100 to come equipped with modern essentials. Expect features like a digital instrument cluster, a full LED headlamp, and perhaps even a Bluetooth connectivity option that will allow riders to sync their phones for navigation and call notifications. Another area where Yamaha will have to innovate is in terms of fuel efficiency. As motorcycles today are expected to provide excellent mileage, the 2025 RX100 will have to live up to the standards set by modern commuter bikes. With a more efficient engine, better aerodynamics, and refined tuning, the new RX100 should offer excellent fuel efficiency, probably around 40 to 45 km/L, making it an ideal choice for city commuting and long-distance rides. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 RX100 is expected to be priced competitively to make it an affordable option for buyers. While we don't have an exact price yet, considering the nostalgic factor and the Yamaha brand's appeal, the RX100 is likely to be priced in the range of Rs 1.2 lakh to Rs 1.5 lakh Indian rupees. This would position it well within the budget segment, allowing it to compete against other motorcycles in the 100,150 segment while offering the charm of a classic bike. Now, let's talk about the potential market for the 2025 RX100. Given that the original RX100 was immensely popular in India, there's no doubt that Yamaha will focus on the Indian market for the new RX100. However, there's also a large nostalgic audience in other countries, particularly in Southeast Asia, where two-stroke motorcycles were once incredibly popular. In India, the RX100's revival is likely to be met with much excitement, as many people still remember the RX100's iconic status. For younger riders, it will offer a blend of old-school charm and new-age performance, making it an appealing option for both vintage bike enthusiasts and modern motorcycle lovers. So, to summarize, the 2025 Yamaha RX100 is shaping up to be a bike that perfectly blends the nostalgia of the original with the needs and expectations of modern riders. We can expect a stylish, agile, and fun-to-ride machine powered by a modern, efficient engine that meets emission norms. With updated features, better safety, and improved performance, the 2025 RX100 is bound to make waves in the motorcycle world. Well, that's it for today. If you're excited about the 2025 Yamaha RX100 and can't wait to see it on the roads, Make sure to leave a thumbs up and drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think about the revival of this iconic bike. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates on upcoming motorcycles, reviews, and everything related to the world of bikes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.